It's bolded too. Like, why is this gray? And then this is like black. I don't know, that's weird. Okay. So it looks like, based on this list, how come this facility has a lower wait time for minor conditions, but it's listed below this one? But oh wait a minute, they're the same facility. And then this is Church Street site, and then this is the Finch Street site, but they're not actually. And like this one too, like this is 3.7. Oh, that's weird. Okay. And then these numbers, oh, I guess maybe it's because this is actually bigger than the one here. I don't know. I wish that they actually like kind of explained it or something, because like these numbers are just like, they're just like numbers in a table, and they're not really actually like explained very well, I think. Okay, anyways, Humber River Regional Hospital has a 16.7 hour wait, and then 4.3 hours. The Finch Street site, 15.4 and then 4.0. Let me try and actually find Toronto General, because that's actually closest to me. If I had to go to any of these sites, I'd totally have to jump on a bus or something, which would actually take time as well. So, okay, so Toronto General Hospital. Wow. So 19.9 hours, and then it's a 5-hour wait for minor conditions. At least I think it's a minor condition. Is it? Yeah, this is the minor column. You know what? That's not really good, because like as I'm scrolling down, like there's no, like, I feel like there should be some sort of like in Excel where you have that row here and it like tells you what each column name is. Like, I feel like they should have something like that here, because it's kind of hard to tell, like when you're down here, like what each column is for. What are the NS's for again? And there's NA. Okay. I feel like, yeah, instead of, I know there's this thing up here for the definitions, but maybe it would be useful if like you actually clicked on like this, for example, and it would actually tell you what it is, because like right now it's just like, it's 2 letters on a page in front of me right now, so I don't know, not super helpful. Okay. Oh yeah, I should probably read what the information was for that. So Toronto General is a teaching hospital. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna try that other way. Yeah, viewing by hospital name. So, Toronto General Hospital, University Health Network. Okay. See, that's nice that they actually list them here. If I can go back. Oh no, it's not gonna let me. Okay. See, I don't like that they're not listed here at all. Like, you know, when I see this list, it doesn't pop out to me that, okay, hospital for sick children is that it's the first hospital on the list. Like, it's just, you know, a list of all these hospitals, but there's no like number 1, number 2, number 3 as far as wait times are concerned. So that just reminded me seeing this list. Okay, back to where I was. So Toronto General Hospital. This is taking a while. Come on. Okay. Oops. There's too many links. It's like, okay. That's not good. There's too many links. I'm lost. Okay. Okay. Back to square one. Okay, this is like, okay, hard to navigate, sort of. Okay, no clicking that button again. Okay, so, emergency room search results. So this is like the same information here. And that says January 2011 again. There's a provincial target in like the light gray color, and then there's a provincial, it just says provincial, and that says it's like black here. I have no idea what that stands for. And then, okay, sweet. So they just have the hospital that I'm searching for, and then the wait time, so 19.9 and 5. So in which case, actually, I do hope that my ankle is just a minor condition, because, yeah, no, I don't really want to end up waiting that long. I have a test to study for tomorrow, so, yeah. Oh, I just noticed that there's a back tab. There's a back button. Let me try clicking that. Ooh, okay. It takes me back to this page. How do I go back to that nice screen where there was like the ER and then the MRI surgery wait times? So there's nothing here. Okay, so there's public information, wait times, emergency room wait time. Now if I click on that, oh, there's a little thing popping up. It's like a little advertisement. Okay, that doesn't pop open. Weird. It makes me think that it's gonna pop open because there's a little arrow on it. I don't want to look at the wait time strategy. I want to look at emergency room wait times. Okay, that just brings me to this page. Emergency surgery and diagnostic imaging wait times. Okay. But how do I get back to the other place that I was at? Okay. Maybe I'll have to hit the black button a whole bunch of times. Like, there's no... What about the home? Okay, I don't think this is where I want to be. This looks like the home webpage for the Ontario Ministry of Health. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and back, and back, and back. Okay, I'm gonna try and work my way back here. Oh, okay, here it is. So, there's no way I can actually get to here unless... It looks like I have to copy and paste this or just hit the back button a bunch of times. Okay. So yeah, just going back to this. I don't think this like button here is very like, it doesn't really pop out at you. Like, I think when we had to hit this, like it gave me all this information, like there's a whole bunch of text, which like isn't super helpful when you just want to, you know, when you're in a rush and you need to look at like an ER wait time to figure out what hospital you should go to. So I guess you just hit the gray colored button. Yeah, not super helpful. But yeah, I guess I was able to, I'm just going back to my scenario, I was able to figure out, you know, what the possible ER wait time was for Toronto General Hospital and a couple of the other hospitals. Probably not the most usable website ever as far as a portal goes. Like, I don't feel like as a patient I was super, you know, I knew what I was exactly doing on the website. It was a little kind of just, you know, trial and error, trying to see where all the buttons take me, and I don't know, the color scheme in general wasn't really like aesthetically appealing. The buttons don't really make me like want to hit them just because they're kind of hidden away, and just the way that it's laid out, it's not super intuitive. But yeah, I guess it kind of, it still got the job done, but it would be useful to kind of, I think, like, the fact that the data was, like, from January, like, it's definitely not real-time information, and it's kind of not really timely information, so yeah, I think definitely this note here should probably be highlighted and stuff. Yeah, so anyways, that was the scenario. That concludes the pilot test for the Ontario Wait Times website.